In this video, we will teach you how to install MoneyPrinterTurbo, so let's get to it. We are going to install MoneyPrinterTurbo version 1.3.3 on Windows 11 and leave its interface running in the browser. We will use only the package published on GitHub by the official repository. Before starting, make sure you have a good internet connection, available space on your hard drive, and a browser that can be Chrome or Edge. A dedicated graphics card is optional, and you will also need a valid key from the provider you decide to use. Step 1 is to locate the official download. Open the link that we are leaving you in the description of this video and check that the domain is github.com and that the owner is this one you are seeing on screen to make sure that you are using the same one. In addition, the repository must be MoneyPrinterTurbo. Inside, quick start, locate the instructions for Windows and open GitHub release. On page V 1.3.3, go down to addresses and download the MoneyPrinterTurbo Portable, which is the official portable package for Windows. Even if it is the most recent version, we will also run update.bat before starting it. This recommendation is made by the project itself. The second step is to download and extract the package. Wait for the file to download completely, and when it finishes, click on the file, select Show More Options, and then scan it with Microsoft Defender. The scanning options page will show the results, and if Windows detects a threat or the origin does not match, stop and check the official repository again. Then right-click again on the MoneyPrinterTurbo Portable and select Extract All. As a destination, you can use your C drive. Avoid spaces, special characters, and accented letters in the download and decompression path or address. Then press Extract, and the extraction will be correct when the folder shows the update.bat and start.bat files. Then we move on to the third step, which is to update MoneyPrinterTurbo. You will have to open update.bat and a terminal will appear that will check and download the current code. Do not close it while it works. The process will be ready if it finishes without showing errors, thus applying the corrections published after creating the portable package. The fourth step is to start the interface. You will have to open start.bat. During the first start, some additional dependencies may be downloaded, so you will have to keep the terminal open because it also keeps the local server running. The browser should open MoneyPrinterTurbo automatically. If this does not happen, look for the web UI line whose usual address is 127.0.0.12.8501, although it could use another port. The fifth step is to configure the provider. Confirm that the page shows MoneyPrinterTurbo, and if necessary, select English and press Configuration. In LLM Provider, select a service where you have a valid account, and you will have to enter the API key in the corresponding field, which will remain hidden. Then keep the base URL and the name of the model, unless your provider's documentation indicates other values. Then you will have to press on LLM Connection Test, and if LLM Connection Test Successful appears, then it means that the connection works. If you are going to use PXEL, you will also have to locate the PXEL key and enter its official key. In the case of Pixabay and Cover, they require their own keys. Never show these values or share the config.tolm with other people. Then we move on to step 6, which is to check the installation. You will have to close the configuration, and the video script settings, video settings, audio settings, and subtitles must appear. In addition, you will have to see the option that says Generate Video. If you see these controls, then MoneyPrinterTurbo is installed, updated, and ready to create a test. This way, MoneyPrinterTurbo is already updated, open, and locally connected to your provider. Remember that external services may have their own limits or costs. And here our video ends on this occasion. We hope that it has been useful for you. If it was, leave us a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications bell so that you do not miss any of the upcoming videos that we will bring for you. Until next time.